Anthony, do the intro. What day are we?
It's almost like your name. That's what day we're at.
It's Saturday?
The Dingus Paris.
18? Day 18.
Alright, we're all in bed. It's day 18. We are in
Hubbard, actually. Right on the border of Pennsylvania and Ohio.
like Tyler Hubbard, the country singer. We're about to watch the not doco, but YouTube from yesterday. Let's go. Let's get into it. Ah, man. I don't know how many times I've said it, but I can't wait to finish this. Today, I am definitely procrastinating a lot. Alright. Day 18. Hubbard,
Ohio.
Ohio. Right on. Alright, let's do this.
Predictions?
Don't have any. I made a few. Made not many. See yous.
See ya, Lucky.
Hi. This morning was definitely a hard one to get out of bed. It was the hardest morning yet. Just sore back, tired, grumpy, but we're off and I'm happy to have got started. Love the boys for slowly making me get going without being too pushy. Love it. All right, so this morning, because I stayed in bed a little bit longer, meant I didn't get 2 hours from breakfast to run, so monster stitch right now. Tightness in the guts there. Ooh, it's not ideal. Anyway, I'm actually finding today much better than I was anticipating. So, good little lesson there. Sometimes your mind and the story and the fear that you create in it is much bigger than the thing that you're focusing on anyway. I'm gonna enjoy this one today.
He's about halfway in. Just over 2 hours? He left at just 9:15. So just on 2 hours. He's running at a bit over 4 hour pace, I think.
That's a much more enjoyable run being out in the bush where there's no traffic and stuff for your head. Wow, very nice. I see you watching me, watching you.
We'll meet you out there in 10k.
When I get back, could you have a bath run so I can jump in there for 5 minutes before we go? Alright, see you guys soon.
See ya. So he's 6k's away, so he'd be at about 25, 26k. It'll take us 7 minutes to get there, so he'll be another k out, so he'll be about 27. So it means I'm running 15, something like that anyway, if I jump out straight away. If I get a bit of footage, then I don't have to run as far. So that might be a good option.
There we go.
Trying to get my fingers out of my gloves. That's what it looks like when we've been in cold weather for too long.
That's like a balloon knot.
You're strong hand.
How do you get those out?
With great difficulty.
29k, 13 to go. Yeah, every time I run on that or step sideways, it's just like a knife is. Got no muscles hurt. Right, let's keep going.
See you boys. Not sure what just happened to Lockie, but he pulled up at the van and then was just sort of complaining about some knee pain. And as we were following them there, he just had some sort of sharp pain in his knee. So we'll keep watching that one and see what happens, and I'm sure he'll have a bit of an update later on.
So a good reason why I love doing hard things and why I think everyone should embrace doing hard things is there's a sense of pride that you experience through going through the roller coaster of emotions, the peaks and the troughs, and getting faced with who you are as an individual. Now, I've done 18 marathons straight. I didn't do them to a standard that I wanted to, but I'm proud of myself in the big term for not quitting and for finding a way to persevere through injury, insane pain, cold weather, and even though I've still got a long way to go, feeling that sense of pride now, knowing that 12k away from finishing my 18th consecutive marathon. Pumped. Yeah, got 12k to go. Every day in the last 10k, just follow his heels. Final kilometre. Liam's done 18 days in a row of 10k plus. I am thinking about food, a warm bath, and rubbing my quads and hamstrings and calves because they are sore. But another run. Hope you guys can see that. There's Ben. Ben's there getting McDonald's. What a good man.
Lucky boy's just finishing up his marathon now, and he wanted one thing, so I went and grabbed it for him. Bit of Mickey D's.
18, done.
They're just getting harder like the last 15k. My legs are just so tired. Oh man.
Lucky, what happened to your knee? I saw you, it sort of jolted
I
out
don't know.
at one point.
It's just like, feels like a knife. It's like, it just builds up, you feel it going, and then it just goes, and then it pinches, and then I stop, rub it, and then it's good to go for another, whatever, 500 meters. And it stopped after a while. But I think it's like tight glutes.
You have the side pain thing?
Yeah, feels like a knife. That's what I think is so underrated, like having routine. I think about, if I was in Brisbane, right, and I just finished a marathon, I know I have all my stuff stocked because I know where my groceries are, all that. I have my physios, I have all of that. So I just go home, I'd stretch, have a sauna ice bath, and then it's a lot easier, but there's so much chaos.
And Liam, how far are we traveling?
5 hours and 11 minutes.
600k?
Meant the snow.
There's no way. How's the Serenity, Benny?
Chile. Feel that snow coming.
Password?
Lockie's awesome.
Correct.
That's starting to sleep, mate. Just started icing from the sky. It's not good when you got to drive another 4 hours to get to where we need to go.
Weather app. Flurries are expected for 44 minutes, followed by heavy snow until 1 a.m.
Just started snowing. How do you feel about this?
I'm wary. I'm a little. I would be happier if it wasn't snowing. You have to see what it's like underfoot.
Tap the brakes now and see what happens.
Fine here. It's when you're not expecting it.
Liam and I are about to go outside into the snow to clean the windshield, which we can't see through. So
I got the
wish us luck, Lockie.
got the snow boots on. It's all this.
Clean them, lads.
I can see again.
Alright, stop 2.
Well, we bought this. Really don't think it's helping.
Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch.
Asshole! I'm wearing thumbs, bro.
Just stopping to do the windshields again. Getting a bit tricky to keep going.
4th time's a charm. Might even tip him for this one. So good job. Oh, he come on my side too. I think we're good. Thanks, mate. I'll chuck $1 out the window. Oh, the lights are changing. Better go. See ya. This guy's taking up 2 lanes. My ankles. And now I know how Lachlan feels.
Made it.
Yeah, we did.
5-hour drive today from Hubbard, Ohio to the border of New Jersey, Pennsylvania and New York, right on that corner. It's meant to be, what was it, 585k? 5 hours. Turned into 9 hours. Got in at, it's now 12:15. It's still snowing. I couldn't be bothered putting shoes on. But we made it. I've sat behind the wheel from state to state. I've crossed every border so far.
You've done a great job.
Actually, not every border so far. I didn't sit behind the wheel between Alaska and Washington State. Technicality.
I guess that means a freaking snow run tomorrow. Guys, if you enjoyed this episode, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like it, and of course, any of your questions, drop them below. And yes, is it cold in thongs in the snow? I can confirm it is, but I am so very much ready for bed. It's been a long day for everyone. Thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Marathon 19.